Hey guys, and welcome to my newest tutorial. In today's tutorial, what we're gonna talk about is how to find the USDT crypto address. So this is a beginner's tutorial, and if you don't know how to navigate the Binance app, this is a video for you. So, how do you find the USDT address? Well, first of all, in the top right corner, you have this wallet thingy right here. So this wallet icon. You're gonna hover over that and you're gonna click on overview. Left click on that. It's gonna take you to this page right here. So the easiest way you can do this is in the estimated balance. You're gonna find that you have 0.00 USDT in my case, but in your case, you might have USDT or you have USDT. So you can easily click on that and just choose USDT. After that, on the right side, it's gonna say deposit, withdraw, or transfer. What we're needing to do is deposit. So click on deposit, deposit crypto, and in the select coin we're gonna select the USDT. Click enter or just choose that, and what we're gonna do next is we are going to select network. So it depends on the network, but right now let's say it's TRX. So no Tron deposit address. It's gonna show you like this. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna left click on get address, and there it is. We have our USDT Tron address. That's it guys for today's video. I hope they helped you, and I hope I see you in the next one. Bye.